Welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back to talk about some makeup, but it's a little bit different this time. We're going to be talking about the new Juvia's Place. They came out with some new eyebrow goodies. Yes, the brows today. This is the eye sculpt and eye shade. So they did come up with some brow goodies, guys. I did get 3 out of the 4 items. I did pick the colors chocolate for 2 other items and dark brown. They do have 4 different finishes for your brows. Can't wait to get into these. But before I do, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And also don't forget to leave a comment below. And guys, like I said before, I do have a code with Dossier. You guys want to get your summer to fall scents from August to October. I do have a code that gives you 10% off with their fragrances. It is Nelly10. Save some little money, drop it in a bag, and there you go. And don't forget to hit that notification button before you go. So let's get into the brows today. I did pick up 3 out of the 4 finishes that they give you. Out of the 4 finishes, there is a palette in this brow powder. I don't use brow powder so much, guys, but you guys seen in my previous video, I have an e.l.f. brow pomade kind of situation. They gave us 4 different things, and I think that's the most for brow powder for me, because I still love pencils more. That's just me. But anyways, I did get the shades chocolate in the brow gel and also the brow pen. And also I did get the dark brown shade in the brow pencil. I'm going to leave the prices below of each and every one of these. So I believe all of these did retail from $10 to $20. So guys, I did get these from Ulta actually, but you can also get them of course from Juvia's Place online as well. You know, Juvia's always comes with great packaging, so I always have to showcase it. I always have to. These are really cool. Now I love the orangey brown vibes of it all. I like that they have all 3 of the ladies right there with all of their headdresses on, all the different shades of melanization. So I think it's a really cute name of a collection, Eye Sculpt Eye Shade. I just like that. When I seen it, I was like, that's cute. So the dark brown pencil, a dark brown shade, of course, with some gold lettering on it. And it does say Eye Sculpt Eye Shade Brow Pencil. The brow pencil does give you a lot of products in it. And also the other side, they give you a cute little spoolie. So the chocolate brow pen. So this is a felt tip pen. I do like felt tip pens. I feel like they are very pinpoint, especially when you make the hairs look very, very natural. And last is going to be the brow gel. So of course the brow gel is in the shade chocolate. So of course the spoolie right inside, and then it shows you the nice chocolatey shade. If these smell like chocolate, I would lose my mind. Can you imagine your brow smelling like chocolate? That's kind of crazy. But I wouldn't be too mad at it, you know? So guys, I wanted to just talk about the packaging a little bit because Juvia's Place always brings the packaging to the next level. So I was like, I gotta talk about it. I have to. It's like the Juvia's Place rules. I have to. So I did put this brow on. I showed you what all the 3 products look like on my eyebrows. So if you want to stay tuned and check that out and get a little more info about all of these goodies, I'm gonna need you just to stay tuned. pencil, y'all, I have to say, over the millions of brow pencils that I get all the time. If you guys want to know, I usually get my brow pencils in the shade Ebony from Shop Miss A. I got a little more expensive brows on right now. So, like I said, the spoolie, it's a spoolie, you know, there's nothing grand about the spoolie. I have to admit, the brow pencil, I feel like this is a lot more sturdier than the brow pencils I usually use. They do break off a lot easier. This one is a lot more sturdy. When I put pressure, it doesn't break as much. Gives you a good line for your brow. It's good with shaping out. I like the stableness of this brow pencil. I feel like I want to play around with her other colors that she has, because I know she has like ebony, she has a medium brown. I kind of want to play with her medium brown gel a little bit. But with the brow pencils, I think ebony would be the next one I would just grab, just to level up my brows, make them deeper, to, you know, maybe, because this is more of like a natural brow for me. Right now, I would probably I could go ebony. I could go definitely deeper with it if I wanted to. This brow pencil, she's not nothing too crazy, but I do like that she doesn't break as much as my less higher end brow pencils. I give them that, but at the same time, it's a brown eyebrow pencil, y'all. It wasn't too much like, ooh. It's just like, okay, I know her. We know her. Y'all, I love this. I don't have a brow pen. I've never really had a brow pen. I felt like the felt tip is cute. I'm not gonna lie. If I had anything felt tip, y'all, it was for eyeliner. So I am really curious to use this as eyeliner. I was like, should I do it? I didn't know. I was like, I don't know. But I love anything brownie. Pastel purple, lilac shades, and browns are like my favorite. I like how thin and pinpoint. You can really make a lot of looking natural hairs with this. It's very, very fine. I think I really want to use this when I'm outside jogging, exercising, because I want to see if it stays placed. I don't know why. I feel like it's staying. I have, you know, had this on for a little bit, but I feel like it's not moving. It's not gonna move. And it doesn't feel oily, greasy, like it's gonna melt off my face. I feel like it's watery or nothing like that. Yeah, like when I put it on my hand, I smudge it, it's not moving. So I'm very, very excited about this. I've never had a brow pen in my life, and I'm glad I finally do. And this shade is actually very, very pretty. At first I thought, ooh, maybe a little too warm, a little too bright, but then when it dries down, it's like, oh, okay. Okay, it looks really, really good. And y'all, this stays in place. Very much in place. Nice. And last but not least, y'all, brow gel. Y'all know this channel. I love me some brow gel. Behind brow pencils, brow gels are my favorite. I love brow gels. I like them on a natural day. I like them on a full brow, dramatic brow. So this keeps the brow hairs in place, honey. And out here in Texas, you're gonna need it, because them eyebrows will go bloop from sweat. I tried this on, went outside, got groceries. My brows were still sitting up, and I was like, even through Texas heat, it was like, I was like, okay, this was amazing. So this one definitely has gel in her. I can feel it, but my brow hairs aren't crunchy, but I know they're not moving. I'm just gonna say that. You are definitely getting your money's worth with this brow gel. A little bit goes a long way, and it does have nice pigmentation in it. People like myself that has not fine brows, but not full brows at all either. This can be good until it hits the end of my brow. So that's when I need that brow pencil. Like the end of my brow and the front of my brow, I need the pen and I need the pencil. So for my brow type and shape that I always want with my brows, all three of these worked in favor. This one was amazing. I don't have a brow gel this powerful, but I'm glad I finally do now. I feel like the pigmentation in this is a lot. It's like, you want chocolate brow? We got you. You need a brow gel to keep those hairs in place. She's your girl. So overall, with all of the new eyebrow goodies, these new brow products, I'm glad I get to try another thing in Juvia and see, okay, what they come up with now. And again, it's a home run. I feel like out of all of the three, y'all, I would definitely go with actually the brow pen and the brow gel. The same thing with the brow pencil. I feel like you can find a chocolatey or brown or ebony, medium brown, blonde, you know, auburn eyebrow pencil. They all to me are kind of the same. Then I have options. That's one thing with Juvia, you still have a lot of options, y'all. Any brow, you can create anything. I just feel like, again, brow pencil, but you got a chocolatey brown pencil, you got them all. I feel like this is a good brow set to have, especially if the first time you're trying out buying different items for brows. Maybe the palette would be nice too, the powder if you're still just starting off, but I would recommend pencil, felt tip, and gel, but definitely felt tip pen and the brow gel. So guys, thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. And also don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And also don't forget to leave a comment below. Tell me guys, which one is your favorite item for brows? Just let me know in the comments below. And as well guys, don't forget to hit that notification button before you go. And you guys already know what I'm about to say. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one.